I am not interested in apologies from parents. I want justice. That declaration from the parent of a 15-year-old boy who was beaten by a mob of students and adults along Old Harbour Road last Thursday. Ramarda Lyons reports.
Officers at Old Harbour High School on Monday. The reason? This incident that left a student in hospital. His mother is perturbed, but having heard of multiple cases where students were killed at school before, she's happy her son is not among those statistics.
I just give God thanks that he's alive and well, and that I hope that this never reaches any other parent's doorstep, because it's not really a nice feeling. It's not at all, just to see your child in being attacked like that, and but we're here holding on. We're trying to, we're not coping well with the overall situation, but we're here holding on.
She was at work when she got a call from her other child about the incident.
But when I see my son, my heart cried. And on top of that, when I see the video itself, it left me in disbelief, because I'm saying, for real, why would they attack my son like that?
She sent her son to school and picked him up from a police station. And instead of going home, the journey was to the hospital.
He received an head injury. Also, he had an injury on his arm. He had some scratches, bruises in his face. Yeah. But thanks be to God, he's in high gear. He's coming on just fine. And that's all that matters to me right now.
The students who were part of the attack have been suspended for 10 days, and 3 adults involved are now in police custody. Principal of Old Harbour High School, Linton Weir, promised swift justice.
We are moving quickly, and we are going to move quick and ensure that justice is served, because we want the entire community to understand clearly that we are not supporting anything that is going to damage our students.
Mr. Weir says based on investigations, the boy was targeted because of association.
It is my understanding that there's another boy in grade 8 who had conflict with these boys in grade 8. And they were not able to catch this the particular individual that they had the conflict with. So they were able to catch up with his friend. And that was what took place on Thursday. The disappointing thing about Thursday is that while it is that our students participated in the fight, what made it even worse is that adults participated in the fight as well.
The boy's mom says she's not interested in hearing from any of the parents of the attackers.
This now is going to affect his mental health somewhere down the line. Because, as you know, as time goes by thinking about it, probably at some point it might pop up another year or two, and you look back at it to say, okay, that's me, and it might affect him somewhere or somehow. So me seeing parents seeing me telling me, oh mommy, I'm sorry, no, I don't want that.
In the meantime, the police, addressing students at the school, described the incident as an ugly, violent brawl.
We're seeing a trend that we want to break, whereby students are resorting to gang activities within the school. That ought not to be. That is a no-no. That does not represent the Old Harbour High School that we know.
The students involved in the attack have also been identified by the police. Ramarda Lyons, TVJ News.